Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're making lip gloss and this is how it turned out. It's so beautiful. It smells really nice. Nowadays, women, girls are obsessed with lip glosses. They want their lips to be soft, shiny and bright. You can use this even without makeup and you still look flawless. So guys, let's start. For starter guys, you can start this as a small business. You can do this as gift for your family members and make them happy. You can use this as freebies if you have like a business that you're running and you like to give freebies. You can do this and put them in your customers packages. You can also start this as a business. Like I said, you don't need to sit at home and you're begging for money, you're begging for 2k. Start a lip gloss business today and you will definitely love it and you definitely make money. So what I first showed was the Vasogel. You need Vasogel to make lip gloss. You need clear oil. And this one is mixed oils, like mixed oils that are good for your lips, that are going to nourish your lips. You need that. You also need flavoring oil and we'll be using bubble gum. And you need your pigments. You can use any pigment of your choice. I decided to go with pink. Every girl loves pink. Not every girl loves pink. Most people love pink. Most girls do love pink. So hence I went for pink. And you know, if you are to start this as a bit, you need a syringe. You need like decals. That's decorating things like to put in the lip gloss to make it look catchy. It's not a must, but you can use that. Yeah, you know, pink attracts. So hence, if you are starting off and you don't have money to like buy too many colors, pink is your go-to, and you can mix pink with so many things to give you like really nice colors. You understand what I'm saying? So just go ahead and watch. It's really simple. To make lip gloss is really simple. Like you don't need a particular formula, sorry, to make lip gloss. So first things first, I'll just go ahead and add my clear oil and I'll mix it up. See, lip gloss depends on the texture you want. If you want it thicker, you add like less oil. If you want it more fluid, you add in more oils. So you just go with the flow, just add the oils according to how you want your lip gloss to feel like on the lips. So hence I was adding it little by little. And trust me, this was my first time actually making lip gloss, and I'm really surprised and happy it turned out really nice. And can you imagine? Let me just put in something here. I was making this just to have bonding time with my daughter and for us to have like something to do together. And after we finished doing this and we said we're going to use it for ourselves, she took two, I took two, and then I gave two to my junior sister. So the remaining ones, my daughter went around our compound and she started selling it. Can you imagine? Little lady sold one lip gloss for 1.5. She sold another one for 1.5, and then the ones in the squeeze tube that you saw at the beginning of the video, she sold them for 1,000, and she made money, and she's so happy. So you see why I say you can do this as a business. She was just trying everybody like, how your lips are so soft and nice. Yeah, make lip gloss you want to buy, and that is how she pitched her business. And I'm even thinking of starting this as a business for her. She just can sell to her friends in school and the rest. So you go ahead and add your pigments according to taste, like how bright you want it, how lovely you want it. Just add the pigment. So the first one, I just wanted a light pink, something that you can just put on your lips and it will appear clear. And I'm adding my flavoring oil. This is bubble gum. Like it smells like candy. It smells like bubble gum. You know chewing gum, right? That is how it smells. So lovely. And I went ahead to mix it. Okay, now like I was saying, depending on the texture you want, when you're putting your mixed oils and your clear oil, be conscious of the fact that you're going to add flavoring oil. So if you overdo it, when you add your flavoring oil, it's going to be too light. So make sure you add it as you go. You can always and fix it up and add more oils. It's better you add more oils than to make it so light that you don't have another vessel gel to add it to make it a little bit thicker. So yeah, that's an advice. And look at that color, it's so lovely. Guys, just tell me, put this in a bottle and trust me, people are going to love it. So I decided to add a little bit of my clear oil again because it was rather too thick, because I tried it on my lips and it was really really thick, so I had to add in a little bit of the clear oil. And that clear oil is coconut oil. Yeah, it's coconut oil. So I mixed it up again, and guys, this is really looking nice. It looks almost professional for a first time badge. This is really nice. Yeah, just keep on watching. You can see how glossy, how thick, how rich this looks like. And yeah, after that, you can just go ahead and add your decals. That's just for beauty. You can leave it out. You can add like mica powders, you can add shimmers, whatever you want to add to make it look beautiful, like just to beautify it. You can go ahead and you add it. So I'm adding that and I'll mix it up. And you must not make it pink. You can still make a clearly gloss and you still add those decorating things inside and it'll still be perfect. You get my point. And then yeah, that's it. That's just basically it. That's just how to make lip gloss. Play around with colors, mix colors. You can make it brown, you can make it light blue, any color of your choice. You can do that. And after that, just go ahead and take your bottles. Like I already washed, dried, and sanitized my bottles. Take your syringe and then you just, there's another way you can remove that top and then you fill the syringe and then you start putting your bottles, or you can do it the way I'm doing. Just pull it and then you fill your containers. Another thing I learned was when you are filling your containers, do not fill it to the brim, because when you fill it to the brim, you put in your stopper and then you want to put in the one tube, that's the cover. The brush you're going to be using to apply on your lips is going to like spill out, and sometimes it won't even close. So make sure not to fill it right to the top. Just go ahead, fill your containers, and yeah, voila, you've made lip gloss. You can sell them, you can gift it to your family members, your friends, your loved ones, anybody you can gift it to. And yeah, that's basically how we make lip gloss. So please guys, if this is your first time stopping by on this channel, we do DIYs. I make soap, teach you how to make liquid soap, teach you how to make bar soaps, teach you how to make hair care products, like teach you how to do basic things and things that can fetch you money. So if it is something that you like watching, just make sure to click on the red subscription button, click on the notification bell, so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to be notified and you come and watch and learn something. Learn how to make money, learn how to do basic things, that you don't need to buy everything in your market. You don't need to buy everything. There are some things that you can just sit and you do it and you enjoy it and you use it, and it will be in a larger quantity than when you want to use your own money to buy. So do me well to subscribe. So this is the second one. I went ahead and I added the pigment because I wanted it to be obvious on the lips. So I added pigments to make it really pink and bright. And as you keep watching the video, I'm going to add like shimmers to make it shiny, so that when you put it on your lip, holographic effect on your lips. Yeah, like in the dark, it's going to be shiny, shiny like a disco bulb. And there you have it. I'll just go ahead and put into my containers. And I later discovered that I had squeeze tubes in the house. So because the thing was more than the containers I bought, so I added it to the squeeze tubes. Those ones are a little bit cheaper in the market, but these other ones are a little bit expensive. The ones that have the pink cap. Yeah, so just keep watching.
Ah, 不许是，这个不许是，啊，不许是。